A very little bit of windy. Good morning, guys. We're back again, back to the old cold weather again. How you doing, guys? So we're just by Woolwich Ferry behind me there, and we're just up. We're on North Woolwich there, and South Woolwich is that way. So we're on North Woolwich side. Yeah, we just had a little walk, me and Lucy. Took us about 25 minutes from where I live. So it's a nice healthy walk. Look, Yorkie Lucy's walking about. So she's just having a little sniff around. Yeah, so it's a bit cold this morning, a bit windy. So I've got my old mic on. I've got the old DJI Pocket 3 Osmo as well. So, and you've got Tate and Lyle's just the other side of me, behind you lot. So anyway, so we're going to have a little walkabout this morning. We're going to take Lucy to North Woolwich Park, which is that side. Yeah, we just want to have a little chat, guys, and see how things happening on my channel. So the summer's coming, spring's coming, April coming. So hopefully we'll be venturing out, and hopefully I'll have a full-time job by then. So yeah, I think it's time for me to start venturing into proper work now, full-time, so I can do this part-time. And yeah, that's the way it's going. Things are getting so expensive. I have to go to full-time work now, guys. So hopefully I'll be looking for something like in the nights, doing nights, something like that, just to bring in the pennies. It's getting a bit tough out here, guys. With the medication I'm on and everything, I'm diabetic now. So next week I'm waiting to have the old injection. Weight loss injection. That is next week for me. So hopefully everything goes well. Lose a bit of weight, and I need to be in full-time employment really. It's to help me to exercise more. I know I do go out a lot with Lucy and everything, but it's just in the mind, isn't it, really? You need to be employed, mixing with people as well. But I'm going to still be doing YouTubing, 100%. I love YouTubing, so vlogging and stuff like this. But that's what I really come here to chat about. That I'm going back into work. I've already done all my CVs during the weekend, and I've had a few job offers, but they're very, very far away, or the other side of town, which I don't really like travelling on public transport. So I'm going to try and find something a bit local before I jump into something. And that's where Lucy's disappeared to. Oh, here she is. She's always right beside my feet. I got a bit worried there. I thought, oh, where's she gone? Yeah, so I think it's a way healthy way is to find a full-time job, really. I've got a lot of responsibility, and I need to keep up with all that. And I've just been thinking about it from last week, really. What happens if my car breaks down, because I'm a single parent and I'm looking after my daughter and Lucy. If something happens to Lucy, I just don't have the funds for it at the moment. So because all my utilities are coming to an end of its life, I've already replaced the washing machine. So yeah, so things are going that direction, I'm afraid, for me. Yeah, but it's a bit of a overcast this morning, and the temperature's dropped, so hopefully we're back on track and travelling. What I'm trying to do is look for a van, really. I'm trying to get rid of my car. It's just, I think with a van you can do so much, you know. We can go places and just throw all your camping stuff inside the back and just like a sort of like a blow up mattress or something like that. You can just chill out, and the warm weather's coming. Hopefully not too hot, because you know what it's like inside the van. When it's in the summer, it's too hot. So gradually we'll be doing that and going places, all different seasides. I don't know why water really attracts me. I keep looking for water, keep going to the rivers, seas, ponds. Just I don't know, is it nature inside me? I just like the wildlife. I like the quietness as well, really. I don't like it too mad. Going places, you know, where there's loads and loads of people, you're like can't move about or anything like that. So yeah, so looks like everybody's parking up around here and going for their lunch break, and because it's a nice quiet spot here, really. Everybody relaxing or doing things, you know. Yeah, Lucy, what's happening, Lucy? You happy? Yeah, she wants to go to the beach, don't you, Lucy? Yeah, guys, so any comments and anything like that you think I should be doing, and or going certain way, what you want to see more? I know you want to see a bit more travelling and stuff like that, but at the moment where I'm on the medication, it's a bit difficult for me, and I'm having trouble really waking up early in the morning. That's what is my weakest point, is waking up early in the morning, really. And but after like 10 o'clock I'm okay, you know. I'm all set up, I've done what I need to do in the morning, and I'm all fine. And feeding Lucy up, and all her food is prepared and everything. I'm all right. It's just I have to find something at nights because of Lucy. Who's going to look after Lucy? So yeah. So I'll show you what it's like on the other side. Oop, yeah, that's it. That's the Woolwich Ferry over there, guys. So. Right, I'll zoom in. It only allows me to do 2 times zoom on here. So, yeah, that's all North Woolwich there. It's all built up, isn't it? Or isn't it? As my mother would tell me. There you got Tate and Lyle ship. There's a big, massive ship in, look. That's all sugar beet, or it's probably came from Jamaica or the West Indies or something like that. Maybe parts of Africa. Yeah, it would come in this direction. It would come in this way, because this side goes towards the sea, towards the Thames Creek, towards South End, that way. Yeah, I love places like this. It just makes me relax, and I enjoy being in places like this. Absolutely. Yeah, so I'm just getting what to say else, really, guys. So anyway, the Woolwich Ferry is free, so you don't have to pay to get on the ferry. It's literally free, so you can cross. You get a lot of people with their big lorries, because they come off the M11 and they want to go to the South Circular, and they come straight down, straight on the ferry here from the M11, jump on the other side and go literally straight up towards the South Circular or the A2. So because a lot of these lorries are quite high top, because when you go through the Blackwall Tunnel is it's got a height restriction, so that's the reason. And it works out they don't have to go through Dartford crossing, and it works out cheaper for them as well. Yeah, so yeah, that's Woolwich town centre over there on that direction, Woolwich roundabout there, and just literally just over there there's like a big sewing baths which they have slides and wave machines and stuff like that, which I think is still running. And yeah, so that's all about me, guys. So let me turn you back here again, guys. Woo! Yeah, so anyway, I really appreciate you guys for watching this video or supporting the channel. I really appreciate it, guys. Thank you so much from me and Lucy. Hopefully bring you some more adventures from me and Lucy. I'm just trying to plan things at the moment, so just hold tight. And yeah, thank you so much. Over and out.